Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Zoho Project for your social media campaigns. Kick off by logging into your Zoho Project account. If you do not have one, sign up. It's free. The reason we start here is to ensure you have access to the tools you need for your campaign. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where you'll manage all your campaigns. Click on New Project to start. Name your project based on the social media campaign you're running to keep things organized. Now that we've done that, it's time to create tasks. Click on Add Task under your project. Each task could be a tweet, a Facebook post, or an Instagram story. Assign each task to a team member, set a deadline, and attach any necessary files. This helps us because it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Next up, use the Milestones feature. Milestones are your campaign objectives. For example, a milestone could be reach 1K likes on Facebook. Setting up milestones will help you track progress and measure success. Now let me explain why this matters. Zoho Project's Gantt charts represent your project timeline visually. You can see your tasks, their start and end dates, and their dependencies. This gives you a clear picture of your campaign's progress. Lastly, utilize the timesheet feature. Here, your team can log the time they spent on each task. It provides insight into how much time and effort goes into each task, helping you plan better for future campaigns. And there you have it. You've just set up your social media campaign on Zoho Project. Remember, success in social media marketing comes from planning and tracking, and Zoho Project is a fantastic tool for both. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.